I love popping, locking, b-boying, basically breakdancing. And that's why I booked my tickets to the b-boying Mecca, Sheffield.
ये डांस अंडरग्राउंड में होता है and it's a dance for the love of it.
ये है अ फिल्म अबाउट डांस, लेकिन कंफ्यूज मत होइए क्योंकि ये वरुण और श्रद्धा स्टारर ABCD 2 का प्रोमो नहीं है, बल्कि ये तो है एक अलग ही डांस फिल्म जिसके राइटर, डायरेक्टर और साथ ही लीड एक्टर हैं ये जनाब, जिनका नाम है साहिल प्रेम।
Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Sahil.
और इनके इस फर्स्ट लुक ट्रेलर को लॉन्च करने के लिए इनके सपोर्ट में आई कोरियोग्राफर फराह खान।
फिल्म देखने के बाद मुझे पता नहीं था कि किसने डायरेक्ट की है। आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू हिज मॉम निशी and I kept asking her about who has choreographed this and who has directed this. She said, oh, I'll tell you later, I'll tell you later.
I was not going to direct this film. I had written it because something like this actually happened to me when I was studying in Sheffield. When I was dancing, someone came up to me and told me, where are you from? And when I told him India, he had a shocked reaction. As if Indians can't do this.
You're Indian, right?
Yes.
I've never seen an Indian boy dance.
You brownies can go be waiters, caterers, cabbies. Just go back to Pakistan, India, or wherever the hell it is you called out from.
I took offense to it, and I'm kind of patriotic. I've been wearing this. So I came back and wrote the film. But I was not going to direct it. I had another director. But something went wrong, and the director had to leave 3 days after shoot, and I had to direct.
और कैसे किया फराह ने अपनी फ्रेंड के बेटे साहिल प्रेम की इस फिल्म का प्रमोशन, ये भी देखिए।
The story is very Indian at heart. I've seen the film. Story is about an Indian boy who's going there and wants to break into the international dance scene.
टाइम आ गया इन गुरु को समझाने का। इन्हें?
Yeah, man. In it.
National Dance Off competition, first prize 10,000 pounds.
डांस ऑफ एक बॉक्सिंग मैच की तरह है। You have to be aggressive.
तो हिंदी में और बात करनी चाहिए।
You're an amazing dancer. Get off me!
She doesn't want to go with you, man.
He is a very talented boy. He not only dances well and to direct a movie, your first movie in which you're starring, I think very few people have that to their credit. बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम होता है सिर्फ डायरेक्ट करना, मगर आप जो फिल्म में लॉन्च हो रहे हो उसका ओनर्स लेना और सडनली इट्स अप टू यू टू पुट द शॉट, यू हैव टू एक्ट एंड देयर इज नो वन टेलिंग यू वेदर यू आर गुड और बैड और हाउ यू आर डूइंग. यू हैव टू लुक एट everyone else. I think it's really commendable. I think he deserves another round of applause for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
वैसे फराह के अलावा साहिल प्रेम की इस फिल्म को शाहरुख खान भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं by posting these pictures with Sahil on his own SRK's Facebook fan page. और शायद किंग खान और फराह के इसी सपोर्ट के दम पर अपनी इस डांस फिल्म के हॉलीवुड फिल्म स्टेप अप और रेमो डिसूजा की फिल्म ABCD के साथ होने वाले कंपैरिजंस पर भी साहिल ने दिए ये कॉन्फिडेंट जवाब.
We can find some similarity between Step Up. So if I'm not wrong, similarities पूछे जाएंगे तो उस पर आप क्या करेंगे?
Similarities तो होंगी क्योंकि डांस फॉर्म यूनिवर्सल है, वो कोई भी कर सकता है डांस. Just because Step Up has started, it doesn't mean it belongs to them. This happens in every street in London, in US. So it's not Step Up in that sense. The dance form, yes, is similar to Step Up, but the film is very different. You will see.
What is the difference between ABCD and MAD?
Difference is in the form itself. I've tried to stick to the form, stay true to the form. So in that sense, it's very different.
A dance film will have a certain formula which will be common in most dance films. You will have underdogs who want to dance. I mean, it's what you do and with the screenplay and how you make it different is.
तो ये रहा SL Vision के प्रोडक्शन में बनी इंडिया सेकेंड डांस फिल्म मैड अबाउट डांस का फर्स्ट लुक लॉन्च इवेंट. Here's wishing good luck to the team.
Let's show them what we're made of.
सुरुचि महतपुरकर, कोरेजिंग, मुंबई.